What are they saying?
I think there's a mechanic joke there. Here you go, Russell.
He's sarcastic bastard.
It's fine, it's done, I don't care, it takes piss. It's all done for free.
All done for free? All done for free, did you just say?
Do it for myself, innit? You want to stick the piss out?
Looks like the wrong filter as well. So don't pull it straight out because it'll piss everywhere.
Oh, no, not. It's the right one.
Oh, it's the right one.
Yeah, that's really
It's funny, isn't it?
So, just flushing the housing through. Ready to collect the new filter. The filter is the right one.
Exactly.
So we've got the wrong. It's coming out. Okay, new filter. Yeah, definitely that way up. Yeah.
Good design, nice and clean.
Ooh, look at that. Spockily wockily. That's it.
Sure.
Yep. Right. So you fit the filter into the cap first. Put a new oil seal around the outside. A dropper in the hole. Make sure you don't cross thread it. So it only goes in nice and so finger. All right. And then tighten it to about 3.5 ton pressure. Not. You should care. Don't swear on camera, please, wankers. Okay, this is using torque wrench 25 Newton meters. A bit more. Did it click?
It won't let me go anymore.
There we go. That's it.
How clever is that?
There you go.